Okay, so this is the first worked example in the equations of motion section of your notes. So I just want to do it slightly differently than they have in the notes. It is worked in the notes in typed up, but I just want to redo it. Whenever I do equations of motion, I like to list what variables we know, and the way I remember which variables we're looking for is with SUVAT. So SUVAT, I write these down. So it's displacement, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and time. Might write those in for you. Displacement, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and time. And what we need is we need to know 3 of these so that we can solve the rest. So what do we know from our equation up here? We want to find out what the acceleration is, so we're not sure what that is. It has an initial velocity of 5 meters per second, so let's write that in. 5 meters per second, and it speeds up to 15 meters per second, so it's going to be our final velocity in a time of 2.5 seconds. Okay, so what we need to do now is select from our formula sheet which of the equations we can use that has u, v, a, and t, and the lucky winner is this one, v equals u plus at. So there's 3 equations to choose from. So v equals u plus at. Now we just need to rearrange for a, because that's what we're looking for, a. So if we subtract u from both sides and divide by t, we are left with this. So acceleration is equal to our final velocity, which is 15, minus our initial, which is 5, divided by the time, which is 2.5, and that ends up being 4 meters per second, or 4 meters per second squared.